Hello, we are interpreting line graphs today. We drew them yesterday using the coffee shop data, and now we're going to be interpreting this particular line graph, which is all about temperature over the first half of a day. You can see the time on the x-axis is from the 24-hour clock, and it starts at all the zeros, which is midnight. It goes to 12:00, which is midday, sort of round about lunchtime. On the left-hand side, you will see the x-axis, which shows the temperature at 14 going up to 22. The temperature is in degrees Celsius. I've got a bunch of questions for you, which I'll read out in a second, but key will be, if you're going to work out what the temperature was at any particular time, let's look at midnight. So right on the left-hand side of the graph, you can see that it's midnight, all of the zeros, 12 o'clock, and if you go up, then you will see that the dot is at 15 degrees on the temperature scale. So that will tell us that at midnight, the temperature was 15 degrees. Cool. Quick one is, what about at 2 o'clock? Take a look at 2 o'clock. If you go along 0200, if you go directly upwards, the temperature dot is not on a specific line. It's in between 16 and 17. So I guess the question is, what temperature would be halfway in between 16 and 17? I suggest you would use decimals for something like that. So let's have 7 questions. Question number 1. What was the lowest temperature recorded on this chart? Question number 2. What was the temperature at 3 o'clock a.m.? 3. What was the temperature at 11 a.m.? 4. During which hour, or maybe between which 2 hours, was the greatest rise in temperature? Number 5. For how long was the temperature between 16 and 17 degrees? When we say between, that would be including 16 and 17. So for how many hours was the temperature in between those two times? Those two temperatures. Number 6, can you estimate the temperature at 7:30? And number 7, can you estimate the temperature at 10 o'clock? Have a go at those. I'll put the answers up tomorrow, and we'll see how you did. Thanks.